Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Sophie for those of you that are new, and for those of you that have caught my videos previously, welcome back. So my channel's all about hair care, hair wellness and hair growth. So if you do like what you see in today's video, please do be sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, but also hit that notification bell. So today I'm doing a demonstration of how you can do your DIY deep conditioner from home with using a normal conditioner, but you're kind of turning it into a deep conditioner. I always say in my videos that deep conditioning is really important in a hair care regime. So I'm bringing you something that's a kind of easy version that you can do from home with things that you may have in your cupboard. So the main ingredient I'm using today is avocado. So with this avocado mask, this is something that you can whip up in the space of 15 minutes. It's something that you can use from items from your cupboard, and literally it's just the budget version of a deep treatment mask, but very effective at the same time. So with avocado, it's something that's very rich in protein, it has fatty acids, and it helps actually condition hair. So this is something that I'm using products that I not only may consume, but also things that I use on a daily basis. So I'm trying to work around all the elements that I use on a daily to bring an actual version that you can use if you don't have a deep conditioner at home. So let's get into it. So these are the ingredients that I'm using today, and my primary ingredient is the avocado. So as explained before, the avocado is rich in nutrients and it also promotes hair growth. So the second item I'm using is tea tree oil, and tea tree oil helps grow longer and thicker hair. It's an essential oil, so must be diluted with a carrier oil like olive oil, almond or coconut oil. So we're using olive oil today. Along with olive oil, we're using coconut, but with olive oil and coconut, this is something I used in my previous video, and this is something they both stimulate hair growth and they penetrate the hair shaft. And lastly, I'm going in with some ground flax seeds. You can do your own gel, but I like to do this just as an alternative because I have it in my cupboard. So to start off with, I'm actually cutting up my avocado. So with this, I cut them in half, and this is something where I'm just going to remove the seed. I'd say be careful with your knife as well. I'm Jamaican, so I cut up avocados all the time. So as you can see, I've cut them in half. And I've got my actual bottle as well to use to blend up. So what I'm doing now is I'm removing the avocado out of the skin, and I want to get each half into the bottle so I can actually process that up. So you can use a bullet, but in this instance I'm using just a normal smoothie maker, because with the bullet it will get things a lot smoother and creamier, but we've got to improvise, right? So I'm using this today. So literally I'm taking each half, as you can see, and then I'm actually putting it piece by piece in the bottle. But if you do have a bullet, then it actually goes in as one half, so you don't have to do that. So now I'm de-seeding. I'm taking the seed out of the avocado, and I've used 2 avocados in this. You can use 1, but I'd say use 2 because I've got fine hair, so this is for anyone that may have like thicker hair. You can actually use 2 and it will actually go through the whole hair. So I'm actually adding the last piece now. I'm slicing each side in half, and then I'm going in and I'm cutting around the skin to free the avocado pieces, and then I'm just putting them in the bottle. I want to get all the avocado in, no avocado left, as you can see. And now I'm pouring in my olive oil mix. with the flax seeds and I'm blitzing them up together. So I'm just whizzing them up. So I used about an ounce of olive oil, and then now I want the texture. I'm going in with Genni's coconut oil and I'm simply blending up again. This is what it looks like blended up. So what I've done is I actually pre-boiled with the olive oil, the flax seeds, so that it's not too grainy, and I didn't strain it, I just kept it together. So you want a kind of, not a creamy texture, but just a thick enough texture. So now I'm going to be using Shea Moisture's leave-in conditioner. So you can use any conditioner that suits you, that you use already. So I'm going in with 2 tablespoons firstly with the Shea Moistures. So I'm using that because I found that it was something that could be incorporated. It's not a deep conditioner, it's a leave-in conditioner, but you can transform anything using any kind of conditioner. So now I'm just like mixing it up with my plastic knife, and what I'm looking for is like a smooth consistency. So the texture of it with the leave-in conditioner will really work it out smoothly for application on the hair. So I just want to go in and mix it, and this is kind of what it looks like at the moment. So I think it's quite, it could do with more avocado, so I'm going in and adding some more of my avocado. I want it looking nice and green, so I'm just mixing it up again until it becomes nice and smooth. And excuse the really bad camera angles, I'm actually holding the camera and I'm left-handed. I'm holding the camera while I'm stirring. So I'm just carrying on doing some mixing, and I just feel to add even more avocado. Again, this is something where you can apply to your whole head of the hair. And then now I'm going in with my tea tree oil. So I'm going in with about 10 drops of this, and then that is it. So that's the finished result and perfect for wash days. So that is it. And with that, you can use that, I'd say use it every day on a wash day. And then if there are elements of it that you think you may want to add to make it even richer, please do so. But that is my DIY deep conditioning mask. So thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I do hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Bye bye.